The attached image of NeuroGovPlus HMIS IPD Governance Cockpit is evolving from a normal dashboard into a true governed enterprise intelligence platform. The most powerful part is that it does not stop at AI prediction. It combines uploaded training/test/unseen data, Analyzer 1.0 governance validation, runtime chatbot intelligence, TDS narration, assure evidence, and operational DSS into one integrated architecture. The new runtime query refresh and doctor/department link drop-down logic transform the cockpit into a governed enterprise AI brain capable of runtime operational, strategic, and governance-aware decision support. From a management perspective, this cockpit converts raw HMIS/IPD operational data into governed decisions rather than only visual analytics. CFOs, auditors, hospital administrators, and visiting management teams can now use runtime queries to understand operational pressure, governance risk, approval readiness, audit traceability, and future decision stability before execution. The separation of inform rightward arrow govern rightward arrow assure is becoming very mature and clearly demonstrates Dr. Pradeep K. Suri's vision of AI generates intelligence, governance decides, and assure preserves accountability. The runtime governed chatbot layer is becoming one of the most powerful innovations inside the cockpit. Unlike a normal chatbot, the NeuroGovPlus chatbot operates with governance-aware runtime intelligence where strategic context, operational context, Analyzer 1.0 validation, policy boundaries, and assure accountability dynamically influence the generated response. The separation between functional team explanations and AI technical team explanations is a major enterprise advancement because management users receive simple business guidance while technical teams can view deeper governance architecture and runtime AI validation details. This transforms the chatbot from a simple Q&A interface into a governed enterprise decision support navigator under the IGA 2026 architecture.